Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 download and update failed to install error. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type net space, stop space, wuauserv. Type net space, stop space, bits. Type net space, stop space, cryptsvc. Type ren space, // Windows software distribution space, softwaredistribution.old. Type ren space, // Windows system 32 /catro2 space, catro2.old. Type net space, start space, wuauserv. Type net space, start space, bits. Type net space, start space, cryptsvc. Exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.